Is sunflower oil bad for your health? You've probably used it to fry your eggs, crisp your fries, or drizzle over a salad without a second thought. But what if the golden oil shimmering in your pan isn't as healthy as you've been led to believe? Every year, millions of households around the world consume sunflower oil, trusting in its light taste and heart-healthy label. Yet beneath the surface lies a heated debate that's turning heads in the world of nutrition. Is sunflower oil a hidden hero of the kitchen, or a silent saboteur of your health? With rising concerns about chronic inflammation, heart disease, and the long-term effects of processed oils, it's time to take a deeper look at what we're actually pouring into our bodies. In this video, we'll unpack the science behind sunflower oil, its benefits, its risks, and the facts the food industry rarely talks about. Whether you're a health-conscious eater or someone just curious about cooking smarter, this could change the way you look at your bottle of oil forever. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about sunflower oil. We'll dive into its nutritional makeup, the potential health benefits it offers, and the possible drawbacks that may have you thinking twice before your next drizzle or deep fry. From cardiovascular health to inflammatory concerns, by the end of this video, you'll be equipped to make informed decisions about whether sunflower oil deserves a place in your kitchen, or not. Benefits of sunflower oil. 1. Rich in healthy fats. Sunflower oil is primarily composed of polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, both of which are considered heart-healthy compared to saturated fats and trans fats. The most common type of sunflower oil found in stores is high in linoleic acid, a polyunsaturated omega-6 fatty acid. However, newer varieties like high oleic sunflower oil contain more monounsaturated fats, similar to those found in olive oil. These healthier fats have been associated with reduced LDL, or bad, cholesterol levels and improved HDL, or good, cholesterol levels when used to replace saturated fats. This makes sunflower oil a better alternative to animal fats and partially hydrogenated oils, which are linked to cardiovascular disease. 2. A source of vitamin E. One of the standout nutritional qualities of sunflower oil is its impressive vitamin E content. A single tablespoon of sunflower oil can provide about 28% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative damage. This makes sunflower oil not just a cooking oil, but also a functional food that supports immune health, skin repair, and even eye health. Vitamin E also plays a role in protecting the heart and brain. It helps prevent the oxidation of bad cholesterol, a key step in the development of atherosclerosis and heart disease. People with higher dietary intakes of vitamin E have shown a lower risk of cognitive decline and certain types of cancers. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. High oleic sunflower oil, which is engineered to have a higher concentration of oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat, has been found to exert anti-inflammatory effects. Oleic acid is also the primary fat found in olive oil, which has long been praised for its heart health benefits in Mediterranean diets. This version of sunflower oil may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is the significant contributor to chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. It may also improve insulin sensitivity and support metabolic health when used in moderation. 4. Skin health and external uses. Sunflower oil is not just for cooking, it also has therapeutic benefits when used topically. Its high vitamin E content, along with fatty acids, makes it effective in moisturizing the skin, improving skin barrier function, and reducing inflammation. It's commonly used in cosmetic products, baby lotions, and therapeutic massage oils. Research has shown that sunflower oil may improve skin hydration and protect against bacterial infections when applied externally. It may also help treat eczema and dry skin conditions, thanks to its ability to soothe and heal. 5. Neutral flavor and high smoke point. One of the practical benefits of sunflower oil in the kitchen is its neutral taste, which doesn't overpower dishes. It also has a high smoke point, especially in refined forms, making it ideal for high-heat cooking like frying, sautéing, and baking. This makes sunflower oil versatile for various culinary uses. Unlike oils that break down and release harmful compounds at high temperatures, refined sunflower oil retains its stability, reducing the risk of free radical formation, at least in the short term. Drawbacks and health risks of sunflower oil. 1. Imbalanced omega-6 to omega-3 ratio. While sunflower oil is rich in omega-6 fatty acids, it lacks omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for counterbalancing the inflammatory effects of omega-6s. An excess of omega-6 fatty acids in the diet, especially without sufficient omega-3s, can promote chronic inflammation in the body. This imbalance has been linked to a range of health conditions, including heart disease, arthritis, and even mental health disorders like depression. Many Western diets already contain too much omega-6 due to heavy consumption of processed foods and vegetable oils. Adding more omega-6 through sunflower oil can worsen this imbalance. 2. Risk of inflammation and chronic disease. High linoleic sunflower oil, which is rich in polyunsaturated omega-6 fats, becomes unstable at high temperatures. When heated, these fats can oxidize and form harmful compounds such as aldehydes and free radicals. These compounds are not only toxic but are also associated with DNA damage, inflammation, and increased cancer risk. Frequent consumption of fried or overly processed foods cooked in high linoleic sunflower oil may therefore contribute to long-term health problems, especially when combined with other lifestyle risk factors like poor diet or lack of exercise. 3. Highly processed and refined. Most commercial sunflower oil undergoes heavy processing, including refining, bleaching, and deodorizing. This process strips the oil of its natural nutrients and introduces chemical residues. Additionally, the use of high temperatures in refining can degrade healthy fats and contribute to the formation of trans fats, albeit in small amounts. While cold-pressed or unrefined versions are available, they are less stable and not ideal for cooking. This means the most commonly used sunflower oil in restaurants and fast food chains may be contributing to poor health outcomes. Populations may affect blood sugar and insulin levels. Some studies suggest that a diet high in omega-6 fatty acids, especially without a corresponding intake of omega-3s, may negatively affect blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. This has implications for people with diabetes or those at risk of metabolic syndrome. Although more research is needed, there is growing concern that long-term consumption of refined vegetable oils, including sunflower oil, could contribute to poor metabolic health, especially when consumed in excess. 5. Environmental and genetic modifications. Much of the sunflower oil available today is derived from genetically modified or hybrid sunflowers that are engineered for high oleic or linoleic acid content. While not inherently harmful, genetically modified crops raise concerns about environmental sustainability, pesticide use, and biodiversity loss. Additionally, the large-scale industrial farming of sunflower crops requires significant water, land, and energy resources, which contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. For consumers concerned about the environment and food transparency, this is another factor to consider. Sunflower oil is a bit of a paradox. On one hand, it offers heart-healthy fats, is high in antioxidant vitamin E, and can be a safe and versatile cooking oil, especially in its high oleic form. On the other hand, its overuse, especially in processed forms and fried foods, can contribute to inflammation, imbalance in essential fatty acids, and other chronic health concerns. For the average consumer, moderation is key. If you choose to use sunflower oil, opt for cold-pressed, high oleic varieties, and use it primarily for medium-heat cooking or salad dressings. Avoid using high linoleic sunflower oil for frying or high-heat applications where oxidation can occur. And always balance your intake with omega-3 rich foods like flax seeds, walnuts, and fatty fish. In a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods, a small amount of quality sunflower oil can be part of a healthy lifestyle. But relying heavily on it, especially the refined, commercial versions, may do more harm than good. If you learned something today, give us a like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. And don't forget to hit the bell for more practical health videos every week.